Are you riding around in an old Toyota with blown out speakers? Today, we're gonna upgrade your life so you sound less ghetto. This is the vehicle's wiring harness, and this is the old cable. If you look at the new tweeter with the external crossover to separate the high frequencies, it goes to a female end. And if you look at the vehicle's wiring harness, this is also a female end. So we're gonna have to cut this old cable and splice in this wire to this wire. New tweeter is installed. Here's the wiring path. I'm kind of wrapping around here and then plugging into the vehicle's wiring harness. This is the old speaker. It is not in good condition. So we are finna remove this guy. It is now unattached. All right, let's test these speakers. Again, this is the old speaker. This is the new speaker. This is the old tweeter. This is the new tweeter. All right, speaker install is done. Door is on. Got the tweeter in there. Got the door woofer. So for the next video, if there are any cute girls in the South Bay who drive a black Mazda 3 with Skyactiv technology, hit me up, text me a bunch of heart emojis and say that you miss me, and I'll do your speaker install for free. All right, thanks guys for watching. Peace.